Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest planet in the solar system. Saturn is quite unique because of its enormous rings. Saturn has thousands of rings in which 7 rings are large and prominent. However, the structure also includes thousands of small to medium-sized ringlets and gaps. Because of these rings, Saturn is called Jewel of the Solar System. Welcome to Science Quest. If you haven't downloaded our app, scan the QR code or find link in the description to stay up to date with the world of science. Let's jump into the 7 things you should know about Saturn rings. Number 1. In 16th century, Galileo was the first person who came up with the idea that the planet Saturn has some sort of movement around it. With his crude telescope, he observed lateral appendages around the planet, but was not able to come across any conclusion. Number 2. The major 7 rings are named alphabetically in the order they were discovered. Starting from D, C, B, A, F, G and E, whereas other rings are also named such as Huygens gap, Encke gap, Kuiper gap, Laplace gap, etc. Number 3. The 100 million years old and enormous structure of the Saturn rings system is composed of countless small chunks of icy and dusty rocks, comets, asteroids, meteoroids, and destroyed moons. These comets, asteroids and moons are thought to be broken up in space, and the reason behind this particular circumstance is the gravity of the planet Saturn, because the gravitational force of the planet is so powerful that it destroyed them even before hitting the planet. Number 4. The color of the rings vary from shimmering pinks to the hues of gray. However, the darker side rings have the brown and gold shade. These were illustrated through the images taken by NASA's Cassini spacecraft by using red, green, and blue spectral filters. The atmosphere of Saturn plays a vital role in this phenomenon of changing colors, as the amount of photochemical hazes increases in its atmosphere with a pattern of changing seasons. Number 5. The size of the rings varies from micrometers to meters. Therefore the major rings have a diameter of 270,000 kilometers. This is 21 times the diameter of planet Earth. The maximum thickness of the rings is 100 meters, whereas the measured height is 30 feet, which is approximately 10 meters. Number 6. Saturn rings could be so warm that the temperature can reach up to 110 Kelvin or minus 12 degrees Celsius. But it could also be so cold that the temperature could reach up to 70 Kelvin, which is around minus 203 degrees Celsius. The nearer rings have warm temperatures while far rings have cold temperatures. The temperature illustration is possible through the ring colors, as the warm temperature changes the color of rings to red, and cold temperature changes the color of rings to blue. Number 7. According to NASA's estimation, the ring system of Saturn will disappear in 300 million years because the ring particles are raining down with a very high rate. That's all. Thanks for watching. Do appreciate our efforts with a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now for more videos on latest scientific discoveries.